In this video, I'm going to show you how to export people's publicly visible emails from LinkedIn to Excel. As an example, we will be exporting Boston bookkeepers' emails from LinkedIn to an Excel spreadsheet that will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. To extract emails from LinkedIn to Excel, we'll use the LinkedIn email miner. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Search for the LinkedIn email miner. Click on the bot name. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste one or more professions. For example, bookkeeper. Enter a location. For example, Boston. Enter one or more email masks. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted LinkedIn emails to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported a list of Boston bookkeepers' names, emails, and LinkedIn profile links. Sign up on Botster and get access to the LinkedIn email miner and dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.